Hi, I'm Baz, this is iSharpen, and in this short series of videos I'm doing one knife at a time. Today, this one is a gold brand Japanese Nakiri. It has some beautiful Damascus and a little bit of damage right at the very top. Not much, that'll come out in the grind. A little bit more on this side. It's beautiful. I'll be sharpening this at 18 degrees per side. I've already set it up. We're ready to go. The wheel has been set to 1000 grit. Being 1000 grit, it's quite fine, so it's taking a few extra grinds to get rid of that chip, but we're getting there. I'll show you the progress. See, we're nearly done. By now the burr is well developed, but I've got to keep going to get that chip out, and I can't just work on the chip. I have to do a full pull every time in order to keep it consistent and facet free. Ooh, nearly there. Yep, that's all done. Have a look. See, all ground away. That burr is still on there, of course. You can sort of see it sparkling. Nice. Rip that burr off using 8000 grit compound bar, chrome oxide, and the leather honing wheel from Tormek. Few little catches on my fingernail there, but this last pass should do it. Beautiful. Test the initial edge. Pretty sharp, but a little bit noisy. Using light strokes on the kangaroo tail strop. Not quite there yet. Let's see if that got them all out. Great entry. Look at that. Beautiful. So that was the gold Nakiri repaired and sharpened. Thanks for watching. See you in the next movie.